Hello everyone, this video is about the GMB CTR Turbo. So what's this video about? We will talk about what is GMB CTR and also why we should focus on multiple map location range tracking. And then I will share with you the features, what's this robot include, and also share with you the case study to show you the rank improvement result, and then we'll give you the live demo of this bot and also tell you the price. Okay, start with the GMB CTR. So every time when people search the keyword and your listing show up and the call impression, and then when people click your listing, it will be just count 1 clicks. So for this example, if I click the mobile dental care, if I have like this listing show like 10 times, and then if this listing receive like 2 clicks, and then the CTR will be 20%. Okay. And there's a lot of case studies show that and also prove it. The CTR will also improve your GMB ranking. So that's what we want to focus about. We want to kind of improve your CTR so that way also can improve your ranking. And after this, we want to kind of tell you why we should focus on multiple location rank tracking. Traditional tool or traditional or other CTR bot will only focus on one keyword and also one location. Like for example, here we search dentist McKinney, Texas. We know, okay, we can see the mobile dental care is rank number 1. Okay. But when we use other tool, this tool called local Falcom, and then we still search the same keyword, and then you can see only when people near their their office, their and they can see they rank number 1. But if they a little bit far from their office, the ranking drop from number 1 to number 6, number 4. If we get a little far further, well, down to 14, 16, or even 20. So in the real life, people will use their mobile device and try to search a product, service, search a store, and not all the time they will really close to your store or close to your GMB listing. So our goal will be not only just improve one location point ranking, we want to improve multiple location point ranking. Okay, so now that's talking about GMB CTR Turbo. And then first, since we will just talk about multiple location points, this robot will actually support that. So we in the training area, we will share with you how you can get the multiple location points by using the free tools. Okay, and no matter what type of your GMB listing, either your GMB listing is just kind of real store or just service area business is fine. This robot can also support that. And then when this robot search the keyword you want to target, found your listing, and click your listing, you also will randomly either click your website, check your photo, or request the direction. And also this robot will support multi-threading. So but again, it depends on how your server resource, and then if your server resource if enough, you can kind of change and test and how many threads you want to do it at the same time. Okay, so and we also this robot will support a proxy. So we use residential proxy, and then you can test it, and then this robot was automatically connect to your proxy, and then will do the search. And also this robot you can kind of schedule it. So for what we do, we just kind of schedule, maybe like schedule this robot run once per day. So every day the robot will automatically start running, and so you only need to set up the project once and then just let it run in the future. Okay. Here I want to share with you some case study and start with the service area business. And you can see we just randomly pick the GMB listing when we search. These are not our clients, since we won't be able to share our clients' result. So this one is HVAC, and then when we before we start running the campaign, you can see that's the ranking result. And after we run the campaign for 2 days, on your right hand side, you can see after 2 days, you can see their ranking improve a lot. You can see more green dots than we run the campaign before. Okay. And there's another case study, just a local GMB listing. We just randomly search one. This one is a Stonebridge Ranch Dentistry. Okay, you can see that before we run the campaign, and also after we run the campaign, all the red dot is turned to green. Okay, so this is two case study we kind of share with you. Now I want to connect to my server and show you how this robot works. Okay, I just connect to my server, so now you can see the GMB CTR Turbo. The first time when you run it, you need to right click and click the setting, and you only need to do it once. And then so there's right here, you just only need to point to your project info file. I will show you how to create this project info file in the training. And then after that, just click OK. And now here you can set how many threads you want it to run. Like right now it's 1. I can change it to 2. So that here shows the maximum, but I can say 2 or 3 or something like that. But again, it depends on how powerful your server is. Okay, and also I can show you the schedule. So right here, I can schedule this robot. So like for example, I want to run it every day or every couple hours, minutes, something like that. You can set it up. And then I say, hey, I want to run every day without end, something like that, and click enable. And then this robot will just run it based on the time I schedule it. So go back to here. So now let me run and show you how this. Oh, by the way, there's one thing you can hide or show the instance. So most time you can see I don't show the instance, but if you want to see okay how this robot does, you can click show. So now I click show, and then you can see the windows just pop up. And since I just use 2 threads, so now it's kind of just click 2 thread. You can see. Let me just move here so easy for you to see. You can see you use 2 different GPS location points, and then do the and start running. Also, you can see that there's a different keyword because this robot support. You can provide a keyword list, and then this robot will randomly choose a keyword from your list, and then search. And then also the difference between this robot and others, that you don't need to set how many clicks you need. So basically, every time when this robot search that the target keyword, and then it will first check where, what ranking for your GMB listing, and then it will calculate how many clicks you need to kind of improve your ranking. If you're ranking number 1, definitely you don't need too many clicks. If you're ranking number 20, you will definitely need more clicks. Something like that. So every time it will just dynamic generate the estimate, or I would say the target clicks a month for your GMB listing. Okay, so right now you can see here is just one testing GMB listing we run, but you can see now it will just kind of, after it clicks, it also will either request the direction from your GMB listing, also here, or they can click your website, and then we'll just stay there for a couple seconds, something like that, and then we'll go to the next search. And also, since we use reverse a residential proxy, so every time when it connect, it will get another residential IP for each different search. So that will also kind of help the Google to kind of understand, okay, that's a different user from different location. And all this activity, you will be able to see it when you log into the GMB listing and click the inside report. You will be able to see the clicks. You will be able to see the correct direction. You will be able to see the clicked website, something like that. So all this activity will be able to show in the report. Okay, so that's about it. So now let's go back to the PowerPoint. Okay, so we just watched the lifetime of this robot. Now let's talk about price. So this robot, we charge $395 one-time fee and plus $25 every month. So it will include the upgrades and also maintenance. So since Google will change, and then we will keep updating this robot. We use this robot every day for our clients. We do provide a service to our client. So we will keep updating, not just kind of sell this robot one time and then don't touch it anymore. Okay, so hope this video kind of provide the information you're looking for. If you're ready, please click the button below and then get started today. Thank you. Bye-bye.